Hi, everybody speaks English well, and if they are able to do so, I really appreciate them. Thumbs up. But in case if they mispronounce some easy and everyday words, their good impressions fade away. So today, I'm going to save you from fading away your impressions, right? And you need to store them. I will teach you pronunciation of some words, how to pronounce them the way they're supposed to be pronounced, one by one, and there are only 4 to 5 words. Are you ready? So the first word you can see below is, how do people pronounce? People would say this word or pronounce this word go. In fact, that's incorrect. There should be go. Go. That's a diphthong sound. Go. Go. Okay, a second word I'm gonna expose, you can see below in the strip. Easy peasy word. We do say this word every day, but mispronounce it. A word is no. No. A word is no, but people call this word no. That's incorrect, I'm sorry to say. A word should be pronounced well, the way they're supposed to be pronounced. No. It's a nasal sound, and a diphthong long O. No. Go, no. Well, a third word now, you can see in the strip below, a lot of people mispronounce this word, right? They do pronounce like that. Advertisement. Advertisement. This is incorrect pronunciation. The right pronunciation is advertisement. 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 Advertisement UK and Americans advertisement. Advertisement. But people pronounce advertisement. It's incorrect. Please learn correct pronunciation of the words. Well, let's talk about the word number 4. A word 4 is below. This is pronounced receipt. Receipt. P is silent in that, right? People pronounce receipt. This is incorrect. Well, fifth word, the last word of my video, we do pronounce this word incorrectly, really. Sorry to say. The word is below in the strip. C-A-L-L. Whole. Whole. In British, they use this word or they pronounce this word whole. American says call, right? Whole, C-A-L-L, whole. I got a call. Wow. So I hope you have learned some words. I will update you further with the next words. We can correct our mispronounced words slowly, gradually. So stay with me. Allah Hafiz. Take care. Bye-bye.